Hey K-Bays, you are now tuned in to Keeping Up with K, and today is going to be a makeup tutorial. As you can see, I didn't waste no time, I just got right into it. My brows are already done, and now I'm taking the e.l.f. blending brush and I'm just blending the color burgundy out onto my whole crease. I got the palette from Miss A. It was $1, so check Miss A out. Everything on her site is $1. And between these two, I will be just using the light burgundy, which is going in my crease right now, and I will also be using a dark burgundy as well. So if you can see it darkening up, I'm just using my crease brush now, and I'm just putting that darker burgundy with that lighter burgundy. Now I'm taking my Pro Concealer and I'm just putting it over the dark and light burgundy, and I'm just creating a cut crease. I'm going back into the Miss A palette and I am just packing on that orange metallic pumpkin color onto my cut crease. I used about 3 different brushes from 3 different sets. They're like old brushes, so yeah, the only brush that I know of that I use for this is my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, which I will be using after this. But I believe the brush that I'm using right there will be for then was an eyeshadow brush as well, a bamboo eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going back in with my crease. I just took the Nude palette by Maybelline and I just used the color black just to smoke it out some more on the edges. So now that I'm all smoked out with like a smoky bright eye, I am about to go in with my Sephora foundation, and it is in the color chocolate or cocoa, I believe, one of the two. I mean, y'all get the picture, same thing. I don't like being oily, so I did take a blending brush just to put it on my face because I don't really like dewy makeup. I like matte. Now I am also using some Sephora brand concealer. I'm actually not sure of the color, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I don't even know the color. You know how like they have like that sticker on it. Some have the sticker and some have it like engraved in it, and it doesn't have the sticker. I got it a while ago, so I'm not sure, but I'm really sorry about that. But I'm just blending out my concealer, and I don't really use my Pro Concealer because it makes me look ashy. Like, it's something about that Pro Concealer that just make me look casket sharp. I be looking like I'm about to go to my funeral. I don't use translucent powder because that makes me look ashy as well. I don't know if it's translucent powder with the Pro Concealer, but I just use Black Radiance brown pressed powder. Now I am just going in and I am doing my contour, and I am using the Black Radiance contour kit, and I'm just using the darkest shade in that kit to put down my jawline, even though I kind of already have a natural contour area down my face, but hey, don't want to brag. Now I am just using my e.l.f. eyeliner and I am creating my wing. I like a very thick wing. I'm an extra girl when it comes to makeup. I just gotta go all out. I mean, why not? So now that that's done, I am just putting on mascara. I don't know what kind of mascara this is, y'all, either, because as y'all can see, the whole, like, the name and everything has rubbed off, but I believe that it's Maybelline Mega Lash. Now I'm just going in with my wispy lashes, $2 at Walmart. I love them. They are so great. So now we gotta wait for these lashes to dry. And now that they are dry, I am just using my Wet n Wild highlighting palette, and I am going in with the gold color, and I'm just rubbing that all on my cheeks, down the middle of my nose, kind of underneath my nose, and down my, isn't it called your Cupid's bow? Yeah, I'm going down my Cupid's bow. I do my chin as well as my forehead because I love to glow. Like, the glow up needs to be real. Like, I need to be shining, trophy white. Now I'm just taking some more of that gold from that Wet n Wild palette, and I'm just putting it right underneath my eyebrow for a little bit of extra glow. And now I'm just taking that e.l.f. blending brush once again, and I'm just blending it out. And here's your final look. I also have on Maybelline matte lipstick in the color Plum. And that's all that I have for you guys today. I will see you later. Thank you for watching.